Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Virtual Kid and I'm here to give you guys another trick on sportybet instant withdrawal. And this trick is very active and it's very simple. There's no confusion here. So let's just go straight to the game. Now what you are expected to do is you bring out your let me see, you go to your home team. You go to your home team, then you pick out the odds that are 1 point, like this and this. Now we have three that are 1 point, but what we only need is just two games that are 1 point. So if you have only one game, you skip. If you have two games, you can play with it, but if you have more than two, you skip. So this one we are going to be skipping this round. I'll go to the next round. Alright, it's like the network is bad. Okay, now let's go. And okay, now we have seen one here. There's 1.88 Newcastle and Arsenal Crystal Palace. Okay, so that's what we'll be using. Newcastle Crystal Palace. We'll play the two, any team to win. Now if you can say, it has higher odd, so the margin for this one is going to be times 3 of our capital, right? So times 3 of our initial stake if we lose the game. So let's go. I'll start with 100. Then if we lose this game, we'll just go to 300. And if you lose that 300, we'll go to 900. Yes, 900. Okay, so let's go. Alright guys, I think we have won this game. Now we have won this game, so we'll go to the next game and see. This is just how the trick works. Okay, you just play the lowest odd, anything to win. Let's check. We have this and this, so we skip because it's more than 2. Remember, it should be just 2, not 1, not 3, not 4, just 2. So let's check again. We have more than, yeah, so we skip. Okay, let's see. I don't want my video to be long, maybe 5-6 minutes. So I'll just be playing like 3 to 4 games. Okay, we'll skip this. Okay. Okay. Okay, we have found Fulham and Arsenal. So just go and play our game. Sorry, Fulham and Arsenal. So we play with our normal 100 naira. Now remember, if we lose, we multiply by 3 so that we'll get our previous stake and some profit. Let's go. Okay, we've won the second game. Let me check. We still have a little time. Okay, we've won the second game. Now we are going to the third one. Now after this one, we'll just end the video. 1, 2, and 3, 4. So we'll leave this. Let's go again. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Once we find another one, we'll just play and we end the video. Okay, so we have only one here. Okay, I think we have found one. Arsenal and Fulham. Arsenal and Wolf. Let's go Arsenal and Wolf. So we'll just play and think even if we lose this game, I think we'll just call it a day. And guys, I'm planning on doing something. I don't know. I want to be posting 2 odds every day. It's not rollover. I'll be posting 2 odds every day for this month. Let's say maybe 20 days or 20 something, the remaining days that is remaining. And I want to be sticking with 2000 every day, 2000 every day, and I'll check what if I made loss after the end of the month or I made profit. So you can as well join me guys in this journey. You can join me in this journey, but if you don't like the suggestion, just put it in my comment section. I'll just leave it and I'll play it on my own. Okay, I just started today, so I started with 1000 today and it's going well. So let me just leave this and go to where is it? Okay, it's basketball. Actually, it's basketball. It's actually going well. So I started with 1000. So tomorrow I will start with 2000 and I will be posting them. Okay, now remaining the last game, right? It's remaining the last game. So I'll be playing with 2000 tomorrow and I will post. If you want me to post it on this channel, please comment in the comment section. And if I don't see any comment, I'll just leave it like I'll just be playing it on my own. But I'll just be doing it too hard, not to roll over 2000 every day. If I lose, I'll still continue with the 2000. Okay, so take care and God bless. Please let me know your mind in the comment section, please. Okay, till we meet again, and bye bye.